The main one, Ver.Ka.
Yeah, it's Ver.Ka again. Like, yeah, how can a Ver.Ka be?
Yeah.
We all know how good that is. So that's the master grade. So 100 scale, double zeta.
Yeah.
Designed by Katoki Hajime, the designer. Like,
Designed directly by him.
Yeah. So it's like he's redesigned, like iterating all the classic designs into his style. So it's like his own understanding towards these kind of units, like mechanical design, structural, everything.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Very impressive.
Very impressive. Look at this.
Yeah, it's like,
holy moly, it's packed to the brim.
Yeah, and it's such a...
What?
Because this is a unit that can be like, it combines into three different parts. Like, they have a core fighter as an airplane in the middle.
Yeah.
And it has a head and a leg. Like, divided into three different parts. So that's why you got such a lot of sprues to...
Oh my god!
You know what I mean?
I don't want to... this would take me like a year.
Yeah,
at the rate I build.
So, compared to the original master grade double zeta, he adjusted the ratio. Like, so it looks visually well balanced. Much more well balanced.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you look at the surface, like, it doesn't have too much pre-described lines.
Yeah.
But how he indicates the details on the surface is like he used a lot of like hollow structure, and it will put like different colored parts underneath to bring up the level of details.
Oh.
Yeah. So you don't even need to paint or doing the panel line thing. It's already looks good.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just build it and it looks good.
Yeah. It's just
I beg to differ. Paint all of your models.
Yeah, and it has a very, as I mentioned, it has a core fighter, the airplane thing at the right. That has a special designed around here, the red thing. Yeah. This is a core fighter in the middle. So when let's see if we have pictures.
That.
Yeah, like.
The pilot. It opens up and there's a pilot.
Yeah.
Hang on. Yeah, there's actually like a pilot in there.
It is.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So it has designed a special connection joint to make sure you can still do the poses like bending forwards or whatever. Like, very flexible. But,
nice.
But generally, the transformable units are very painful to do the transformation.
It's a bit. You could snap it.
Yeah, but for this kit, they use a lot of like splitting structure.
Yeah.
To make sure it's like attached to each other when you do the transformation. And one more thing is like they actually give you 2 core fighters. 2? Yeah.
Why is that?
Because when you do the transformation, you don't need to take the originally attached one, like just staying there, and you attach another one to the top of the...
To the head.
Yeah. So, as it's showing here. This is a core fighter, right? But actually, another core fighter is hiding inside of the...
Oh, it's like an Easter egg.
Yeah. So you don't have to like detach the original one and put it. Yeah, just save a lot of like tons of time.
I see. Yeah. I see where you're getting at now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Not as much detaching. I don't know how to describe these parts.
Oh, this one is actually the significant exclusive design in all the Ver.Ka kits. It's like he used a lot of pre-colored chrome silver parts on the as a decoration on the armor. yeah, similar to what he did to Sazabi, and yeah.
Yeah,
A lot
nice.
of, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. What else we got?
We're quickly going through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Decals. No, yes, decals. Finally, we've got some decals. There you go. Look at this. Beautiful.
Yeah, very nicely designed. Like, it's gonna be a fun build.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you see, that's like.
Have you built one of these?
I built the Wing Gundam from. Like, yeah, that
The
one.
Wing Gundam.
Yeah.
I see.
That's the only Ver.Ka I built so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, but I trust like all the Ver.Ka is gonna.
It's just going to be amazing to build.
Yeah. I believe that.
I believe it too.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very impressive.
And then we're going to sell it to you like this. It won't even close. There you go.
Yeah.
Have this one. That's the ZZ Gundam, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful.